How many times has this happened with you that by the end of the day, your eyes are completely tired of looking at the screen, and yet you have at least 5 to 6 hours more work to do in front of a computer? Your eyes are feeling sore, completely tired. Maybe you feel your neck and head is also cramped, and you feel a headache coming on. And as you continue doing this day after day, week after week, month after month, you start noticing that your sense of exhaustion has gone up and there's a constant sense of fatigue. You also notice that your productivity has gone down and that you are now facing headaches more frequently. Maybe you're also popping painkillers. This is all a result of excessive screen time. Humans are spending far more time on the computer screen than we are originally designed to do. When I say originally designed, it means that as humans, we are originally hunters and gatherers. Our eyes are not designed to look downwards into the screen all the time. Our eyes are designed to look at the horizon, at the landscape. But now, as we are becoming more and more virtual in our workplaces, we have restricted our world to this little space in front of the computer. And then as we go on years after years, you may notice that you're suffering from more eye strain. Maybe your spectacle power has gone up, and you're also losing the luster in your eyes, maybe the twinkling in your eyes, the kind of laughing eyes that children have. Have you seen, you may have noticed some elders have these beautiful laughing eyes. So can we do something about this? Can we do something about the constant screen time, the over exposure of our eyes to the screen? So I'm going to share with you a beautiful little lesson by Dr. Moshe Feldenkrais. I call it Pushing the Pearl. It's a lesson that will help you to relax your eyes and even strengthen the muscles around your eyes and make you feel refreshed. All you need for this is your eyes, and imagine two things. One, a beautiful thread, a satin silken thread of your favorite color, and also visualize a bead or a pearl. Again, anything that is of your favorite color. So prepare to go. I'm going to show you the lesson. So prepare to go into the lesson. And as you go into the lesson, remember that somatic education is all about being gentle and about being explorative. Be childlike. Just explore and enjoy the process. Don't think of this as an exercise for the eyes. Think of it like a relaxation or a stress relief technique. And be very gentle with yourself. So prepare to do this lesson, and as you prepare to do this lesson, do remember not to slouch. Remember to sit on your sitting bones, and we have some very interesting videos which help you to find your sitting bones. Why is that important? Your sitting bones are very important for good posture. So to keep your spine straight, you need to be on your sitting bones. And other than that, another very important aspect for good posture is your eyeballs. That may sound contradictory to you, but it is your brain gets input from your eyes as to how it may best carry you in space. So more about this another day. But do remember that your eyeballs are very important for good posture, and constant looking down is not good either for your posture or for your neck shoulder pain or for your productivity, focus, and also memory and retention. So again, let's start going back to the lesson. Find your sitting bones, sit nice and tall, but don't sit stretched and tense. Be relaxed and try to keep your chin parallel to the ground. Try not keeping your chin here or like this. Also make sure your head is not too tilted to any one side, if you can do that. If you can't, just forget it. And now again, prepare your eyes by doing a small warm-up. So start rubbing your palms together till you feel the warmth between your palms. Please don't skip this part. It's a very important part, and most of us love to skip the warm up and go directly to the lessons, exercises, if you may. In somatics, we don't call anything an exercise, we call it lessons. So rub your palm till you feel warmth between them, and enjoy the process of rubbing your palms. Feel the texture of your palms. Feel how it really connects with yourself when you're doing this. Once your palms are really nice and warm, we are going to cover our eyes with our palms such that there is no light coming in. One, cup our eyes, and also make sure that your palms are not pressing your eyeballs. So warm your hands, gently keep them on your eyes, cupping them softly, not pressing them like this, cupping them softly, making sure there is complete darkness inside. And you may keep your eyes closed or you may keep your eyes open, but make sure there's no light. And stay here for 30 seconds or 1 minute. If 1 minute is too long for you, you may like to stay here for 30 seconds. And when you're waiting, 30 seconds seems long, but enjoy this darkness. Breathe into it. Just enjoy the warmth of your hands. And slowly, as you start noticing how the warmth of your hands is seeping into your eyes, prepare to lower your hands softly, very softly, to keep them wherever you find comfortable, maybe on your thighs or maybe on your desk. And do remember to close your laptop and your screens when you're doing it. The irony of this being that I'm doing this right on a screen, but that's how it is for now. And now let us start the lesson, pushing the pearl. So again, visualize that thread, the beautiful silken thread of your favorite color. I've chosen an aquamarine blue, and choose a pearl or a bead of your favorite color, and pick up that thread between let's start with the right eye and the right hand. Pick up the thread between your right index finger and your right thumb. Hold it out such that you may visualize your eyeball, that the string is stretched out between your eyeballs and your fingers. Strung on this thread is that beautiful pearl, again of your choice, the color of your choice. Visualize that pearl strung on this thread, and maybe the pearl is somewhere closer to your eyeball. And now we have to begin the lesson by thinking that we are pushing that pearl using our eyeball towards our fingers. Slowly think of your right eyeball pushing that pearl on the string towards your right index finger and thumb. Make sure you go very slowly because your eyes may not be used to these movements yet. And then as the pearl reaches your fingers, start drawing the pearl back using your eyeball. Towards the socket of your eye. Again, start pushing the pearl away from your eye socket towards your fingers. You may sense your eyeball moving out of the eye socket. It doesn't really move, but you'll sense it that way. As it reaches your fingers, slowly, very slowly, think of something very soft, something very gentle, maybe falling leaves. Very slowly think of falling leaves and start pulling that beautiful bead close back towards your eye socket, feeling the eyeball move back into your skull, deep into your skull. Take as much time as you want. If you feel any discomfort, pain, just stop. Don't go further. Take a pause and do it again. And then one more time, as you feel the pearl has come close to your eye socket, start pushing the pearl towards your fingers again. It's a very gentle exploration. Don't be in a rush. Remember, it's not an exercise, it's an exploration. Take it towards your fingers. And then one last time, pull that pearl back towards your eyes. Using your eyeball, feeling the eyeball move in and out of the eye socket. Take a pause, rest your right hand down, and then gently open your eyes and see how the right eye now feels. Maybe you feel it's lighter, maybe you feel it's more awakened, maybe you sense this eye more than you sense the left eye. And just this connection with your eye is very important, to notice how it feels. And then do the same thing on the left eye, holding the thread, the silken beautiful thread, in between your left index finger and thumb. And now close your eyes, visualize the pearl on this thread. The starting point of the pearl is somewhere close to your eye socket, and start pushing the pearl softly, very gently towards your fingers, feeling your eyeball move out of your eye socket without really moving out. And then as you draw the pearl back, sense your eyeball pulling really deep into your skull, and maybe even going really deep back into your skull. And then start pushing it out again. Stay aware, stay gentle. Keep enjoying the process, the smoothness. If you feel there are some spots on the thread where you'd like to quickly jump through, you're jerking on the movement, just slow down and smoothen the movement at that place. So slowly and softly push it towards your fingers, and then again draw the string back. Sense the movement of your eyeball. That's your lens converging and changing. So it's a very important exercise for the lens of your eye. And again, start pushing the bead back towards your fingers. And one last time, pull it back towards your eyes, staying very gentle, slow, exploratory, enjoying the process. Notice your breath, calm yourself down, rest your hands. Stay here for a few seconds, and then very gently open your eyes and notice if your eyes are feeling refreshed, more awakened, more alive. Take as much time as you want to do this and repeat it a number of times. Remember that your eyes are not only the windows to your soul, but they're also the windows to good posture. And good posture is a great way of remaining focused, energetic, and more productive through the day. Have fun with this lesson, explore more, and understand yourself more. I'll see you around soon. Bye-bye.